guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do 6 of the McDonald's blind boxes. This is Birdie. This is Hamburglar. This is the fry helmet. This is Alimis. This is the Mama. This is the soda potion. Here's all the McDonald's Happy Meal blind box. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.